Hi, my name is Zaina Yacoub. This is a small video with 5 slides about the change statement that I want to be done in this school. My statement is to change the traditional way in teaching math, KG and first grade, to be a way using tangible objects and tools. In this way, kids will understand math more than before. I want the educators to take training and workshops to help them do that way and then apply it. I'm speaking today with the principal and the math teachers in the elementary section. As my job here is teacher assistant, I saw that the teacher is just standing and telling the kids about the new topic in math. I saw that the kids need to touch something. One day in the adding topic, the teacher told me about a boy that he didn't understand the topic, and she told me to sit with him later and teach him. I started to give him some crayons, the object that I had in that time. I told him that you have 1 crayon and now I will give you 2 more crayons. Can you now count how many crayons do you have? He told me 3. He understood all the topic by the tangible objects. That is why I want the teacher to take training to know how to use the objects that are placed in the shelves in the classroom and manage the time in the classroom. In this way, kids will find the opportunity to be physically engaged in their lessons, as opposed to sitting through a boring lecture or filling out workbooks. Finally, these physical activities give kids a fun way to practice their math skills, which helps the retention and transfer, as cognitive scientists have shown. This change statement will benefit the kids between 5 and 6 years old, and they will benefit a lot because of this new way of teaching math. These kids in the first 2 years of the school need objects to touch, to collaborate with. That will give him happiness to visit the school every day, and that will be for the whole school life. On the other hand, if we do not start like this, kids will bore from school and the boring way of teaching. I made a research and I found 2 schools that they started to use tangible math in the classes. One of them, an elementary school in the United States, called the math magic math. They use tangible objects when teaching math, like blocks for teaching patterns. And the other school is in London. It's an elementary school, teaches kids adding numbers by using the domino game. They are sitting in a big circle and the teacher with them showing them the game. Here are some recommendations for the principal. The first one is to ask teachers about the information that they know about using objects in math. Maybe they know something or a little bit about tangible math. Start to give teachers training and workshops to know how to manage the classroom, depending on the time of the class and the number of the kids. The second one is teacher assistants can help the teacher prepare these objects and give them to the kids. That will help the teacher be more comfortable. The third one and the last one is to try to sit the kids in a big circle. Actually, this recommendation is for the teacher. And let the teacher share that circle with the kids and show the kids all the tangible objects by this situation. And one last thing, that after taking the workshops, teachers can start applying the tangible math in their classrooms. I know that they need time to be comfortable with that, but they can ask for help and prepare the objects that belong to the topic one day before. It will need time to be relaxed, but by the time, teachers will see that kids will understand more if they touch objects with their small hands. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be useful and help me do what I want. Thank you so much.